Hi, Poppy's Workshop. This is another possible shear line upgrade project idea. Anyone interested in seeing me making a locking collar for the shear line lathe so that you can run the spindle backwards at high speed? Huh? Run the shear line lathe spindle backwards at high speed? You'd need to find a way to lock the. Yeah, like I said, a locking collar to lock your chuck to the spindle so you can run it high speed backwards, not forwards, backwards. If you're seeing it backwards, that's because you're sitting on the wrong side of the camera. Anyway, anyone interested in seeing that? Down here in the comments and up here for your point of view, the notification. Send me a notice. I mean, until I actually get around to doing that organically, if you want to see it, let me know. Can't work in a vacuum here.